How does a semiconductor behave at absolute zero? It behaves like an insulator. Hence, the correct option is B. How is the resistance of semiconductor classified? It is classified on negative temperature coefficients. Hence, the correct option is C. How are charge carriers produced in intrinsic semiconductors? By impure atoms. Hence, the correct option is C. In the diode equation, the voltage equivalent of temperature is T divided by 11,600. Hence, the correct option is B. If the voltage of the potential barrier is V0, a voltage V is applied to the input. At what moment will the barrier disappear? V equal to V0. Hence, the correct option is B. For an ideal voltage amplifier circuit, what should be the value of input resistance? It is equal to the infinity. Hence, the correct option is B. Ripple factor of a half wave rectifier is 1.21. Hence, the correct option is B. The advantages over the vacuum triode for a junction transistor is B. The correct option is B, which is high frequency. When does the transistor act like an open switch? At cutoff region. Hence, the correct option is A. In CB configuration, the value of alpha equal to 0.98 ampere. A voltage drop of 4.9 volt is obtained across the resistance of 5 kilo ohm when connected in collector circuit. Find the base current, which is equal to the 0.02 milliampere. Hence, the correct option is C. For a fixed bias circuit having RC equal to 2.2 kilo ohm, RB equal to 240 ohm, VCC equal to 12 volt, and current amplification factor is 100, and the current flowing through the base is 20 microampere. The value if collector current in saturation is 5.4 milliampere. Hence, the correct option is A. Why do we use CE amplifier as a large signal class A amplifier? Because it has very high voltage gain. Hence, the correct option is C. If DC power for a class A amplifier is 500 watt and AC power is 150 watt, what is its efficiency? Which is equal to the 30%. Hence, the correct option is D. What kind of design is used to avoid transformer uses? Complementary symmetry. Hence, the correct option is C. What is pinch off voltage? The value of voltage at which the current gets pinched to zero is called pinch off voltage. Hence, the correct option is D. The abbreviation PIV in the case of a diode stands for peak inverse voltage. Hence, the correct option is C. When temperature increases, reverse saturation current increases. hence the correct option is A. Which types of oscillations are most suitable in timing elements? Which is crystal oscillator, hence the correct option is C. Which of the following oscillator will give most stable output oscillation frequency? That is also crystal oscillators, hence the correct option is D.